Hello, welcome to this tutorial on sorting with Excel. We're going to be looking at what sorting is, why you should even sort your data in the first place, and what are the common use cases for sorting your data. And most importantly, how to practically do that using both the long method and of course what brought you to this tutorial, that is the short method, right? So what is sorting in Excel? Sorting lets you simply reorder or rearrange your data based on a particular value. It could be alphabetically, it could be numerically, or it could even be by date, right? So why sort your data in the first place? To quickly organize your data for better readability, right? To rank items, it could be top sales, it could be oldest to newest, right? It could also be to group similar entries together. Let's say you're sorting by local government, right? You have entries with similar local governments together. Use cases for filtering. The first use case is sorting names, right? It could be sorting names from A to Z or from Z to A, that is ascending or descending. You could also be sorting, the sales column from the lowest to the highest or from the highest to the lowest. You could also sort by dates from oldest to newest or the other way around. You could also sort using a custom order. So with me here is a hypothetical sales dataset, right? And you can see this dataset quickly. For practice sake, we're going to try to sort this dataset by region, right? So looking at the region, we could sort this from A to Z if we want to, from Z to A. Let's just see the various sorting formats. So you just head over to your sort and filter. It's usually located on the home tab, right? Go to your sort and filter, and you could sort this from A to Z, right? You could see, right? So this has been sorted from A to Z alphabetically. You could also see Z to A also do the same, right? So we have this data sorted out. Now, in case if you want to also sort a numerical column, you can also come here, do same, sort this one. Now it automatically dictates that this is a numerical column. You can sort from smallest to largest, right? You can see the options change, right? It's similar to A to Z, right? Just do this and then you have this sorted out, right? Great. So quickly now let's look at some advanced sorting, or let's see the sorting pane in full, right? So suppose I want to sort this, right? I could come here and then use a custom sorting. So let's look at the custom sorting. Now, sorting by quantity, it has already dictated that I want to sort by quantity, and it has also dictated that my data has headers. If I check this, if I uncheck this, it means everything here is considering everything, right? But if I check this, it means it's going to leave the first row because it is seeing the data, the first row of the data as my headers. So it's going to skip this, and then I'm going to come here, of course, select by quantity or by sales. Let me sort by sales, right? Rather. So is it, what do I want to sort on? Is it cell values? Is it cell color? Of course, it's by cell values, right? Because I've not colored any of the cells. So smallest to largest, right? And you could just sort this, right? You could also do a multi-column sorting, right? Multi-column sorting by just simply coming here, go to your custom sort, right? And then you have you could do your sales by sales value, right? From smallest to largest. You could also add another level, right? Sort it by city. Let's do that by city, right? Quickly. And then it's also by cell values, right? From A to Z automatically because it is alphabetical. So let's see how this works. Now you find out that we have it is sorted by sales first and then by city, right? You would find out that it is sorted first by sales, then by city. So what's the shortcut for doing all of this? Right, so instead of having to use your sort button each time, right, there are quick ways to do this. Now, using the quantity column, we want to sort it from A to Z or from smallest to largest. We could just use alternate ASA and automatically sort this, all right, from the smallest to the largest. Now, if we want to sort it in descending order, that's from largest to smallest, we use alternate ASD and automatically do that. It does that for us, right? And then if you want to open the custom format dialog box, we just use alternate ADS. Then we have that, and then you could add as many levels as possible and then hit the OK button. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please smash the like button. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.